So, this company grew from 1.85 crores to 93 crores within just 10 years. This was Purnamati. And while doing the research on top growing companies, I came across Altis Investec. And this isn't any case I picked. It's the company's own portfolios, their trading, stock holdings, and this is all managed by a single person, that is the CEO. So let's hear it from the CEO, Sandeep Gill.
My equity journey started in 1988 when I was in college. शुरुआती ट्रेनिंग पापा जी के साथ हुई. I got all my fundamentals, the basics learned from him. But the trigger happened in 2004 when two people gave me certain ideas. Mr. Indra Kumar Bagdi and my friend Brijesh Dalmia. And that was the turning point of my life. We started buying Odisha Mineral Development Company in September 2004, which stock went up to 50 times. We started buying at around 1,500 rupees and it sold for 92,000 rupees in less than 5 years. लक्ष्य हम लोग लिए वो करीब 100 times हो गया. We started buying at 50, it went up to 5,000 rupees. Apart from that, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, Tata Technologies, all these stocks we started buying when they were very small companies. And we held on to them for long period, 5 years, 10 years. Investment thesis says कि आप कम से कम उतना समय दीजिए अपने किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडिया को जितना समय आप एक 25,000 रुपए के रेफ्रिजरेटर या टीवी खरीदने के लिए करते हैं.
So, sir, can you please tell us how have you done this?
देखो, investment needs only class 6 intelligence. You need to close your eyes and understand कि ये जो कंपनी जिसमें मैं पैसा लगा रहा हूँ इसका माल 10 साल बाद बिकेगा कि नहीं, इसकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी मेंटेन रहेगी कि नहीं. इसके बाद सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक शेयर होल्डर के लिए कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस. तो प्रमोटर अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपका विजन होना चाहिए, कंपनी का विजन होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन द कंपनी and its business, not on the stock price. Prices are very good.
What's the advice you would like to give to our viewers?
Retail investor के लिए, even a polished investor, the way of making money in stock market at least is, it is more about mental attitude. You don't need to speculate in the market. You don't need to do intraday trading. Allow compounding to do the magic. अभी आप 100 रुपए जो लगाएंगे अगर 24% CAGR से बढ़ेगा तो वो 3 साल में डबल होगा. लेकिन नेक्स्ट 3 साल आप इन्वेस्टेड रहेंगे, वो अगर उसी गति से बढ़ेगा तो वो 100 के बदले 200 रुपया बढ़ेगा. उसके अगले 3 साल में 200 के बदले 400 रुपया बढ़ेगा. दिस इज हाउ वेल्थ इज क्रिएटेड.
Thank you so much, sir, for your answer. And I hope viewers would really learn something from this and get inspired by you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.